GEEKOM A7 Max, the 2026 mini PC that makes bulky towers look obsolete.
You now own the GEEKOM AI A7 Max mini PC, a 2026 flagship that puts a genuine Ryzen 9 7940HS desktop processor inside a brushed aluminum cube smaller than your lunchbox. 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 5.2 GHz, paired with the Radeon 780M, the strongest integrated GPU ever built, plus a dedicated Ryzen AI engine that accelerates video calls, local AI tasks, and creative filters without ever touching your main cores. You switch instantly between silent, balanced, performance, and turbo modes with one click. You get true USB4, real DDR5 SODIMM slots, and full expandability, everything competitors lock away. This is desktop-class power you can mount behind your monitor and forget it even exists until you need it to crush everything.
You get blistering speed that finishes 4000K exports in minutes, not hours. You get upgradable DDR5 memory. Start at 16 GB, go straight to 128 GB whenever you want. No soldering, no compromises, no paying Apple prices. You get a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD that expands to 8 TB, plus a UHS-II SD slot that ingests 2 TB cards at full speed, zero storage anxiety ever again. You get IceBlast 2.0 cooling that stays under 36 decibels even in turbo. Dual 2.5 gigabit LAN for rock-solid NAS or firewall duty, and dual 40 gigabits per second USB4 ports that drive eGPUs, 8000K displays, or 4 TB external drives with a single cable. You get 3 full years of premium support and enterprise-grade certifications. In short, you get a machine that refuses to become obsolete while everything else in the mini PC market already has.
Before, you're hunched over a hot, noisy tower that sounds like a jet engine every time you scrub a 4000K timeline. Your desk is a cable jungle. Upgrading RAM means a new machine. After you mount the GEEKOM AI A7 Max behind your monitor, it disappears. You open Premiere or DaVinci Resolve, drop 6000K raw footage on the timeline, and it's buttery smooth. You export a 15-minute 4000K masterpiece in the background while gaming at 1080p high settings on the same screen. No stutter, no thermal throttle. You finish a client project, pop the side panel in 10 seconds, drop in 64 gigabytes of DDR5, close it, and you're back to work. Your electricity bill drops, your office is silent, your desk is clean, and your renders are faster than ever. That is the before and after difference.
Every other mini PC forces you to choose: soldered LPDDR5 that can't be upgraded, fake Thunderbolt-like ports that top out at 20 gigabits per second, or cooling that screams the second you push it. The GEEKOM AI A7 Max refuses to play that game. Independent tests show it beats every sub-$1,200 mini PC in multi-threaded workloads by 25 to 40%. Reviewers who daily drive it for Premiere, Blender, and Resolve call it the first mini PC that actually replaces a tower. One editor cut his 4K export times by 60% and immediately sold his gaming laptop. Another photographer maxed RAM to 64 gigabytes in minutes and said it finally feels like a computer that respects his time. Real users run Proxmox 24/7, Plex transcodes for 10 streams, Docker fleets, and still switch to silent mode for recording podcasts without a hint of fan noise. While competitors cheap out on memory and ports, GEEKOM ships real DDR5, real USB4, and a 3-year warranty because they know this machine will outlast every trend.
Prices are rising permanently in the coming weeks because of global DDR5 shortages. GEEKOM refuses to downgrade specs like everyone else. Lock in today's lower price and secure your 3-year warranty before it's gone. Click the link, Claim your GEEKOM AI A7 Max now and own the last mini PC you'll ever need. Do it today, because tomorrow it costs more and you still want it just as badly.